In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok account's country or region in just 5 minutes. Whether you're traveling, relocating, or simply wish to explore content from a different region, this guide will help you easily update your account settings in a few quick steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your TikTok account. Now, this might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure you're logged into the correct account you wish to modify. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the TikTok app. It's typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on it will take you to your personal profile page where you can view your videos, followers, and more. Next, you'll need to access the settings menu. Look for a small gear icon usually found at the top right corner of your profile page. This icon is your gateway to customizing your account settings, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll be faced with a variety of options. The next place we want to head is the account information section. This is typically listed under the general settings area. In this section, you'll see various fields related to your account details such as email, phone number, and indeed, your account region. Now, locate the account region and click on it. This section allows you to select from a list of countries and regions available on TikTok. Keep in mind that changing your region might influence the type of content you see on your feed, as TikTok uses regional data to tailor what is displayed. So, if you're interested in seeing content specific to a new locale, this is the place to update your settings. After selecting the desired country or region from the list, click on Next. This action will save the changes you've just made. It's as simple as that. TikTok will now recognize your account under the new region, and you should start noticing a change in the content tailored for you based on your new location. It's worth mentioning that changes may take a short while to reflect fully as the app updates its records. Additionally, always ensure you're using the latest version of the TikTok app to avoid any compatibility issues. With these easy steps, you are now all set to enjoy TikTok with a fresh regional perspective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful guides and tips. Happy TikToking!